Stagiaire. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, as you can see by the title, we're kind of going to be doing an ice cream inspired makeup look. So summer is like basically over. Like I think it's over on like the 22nd, and it is the 16th when I'm filming this. So there's only a few more days of summer. So I was like, you know what, in the beginning of summer I drew up like this ice cream face chart thing, like this strawberry ice cream thing, and I really liked it, and I've just been like lollygagging on doing this makeup look. I honestly don't know why, because I think it looks really cool, like the layout and everything of it. Hopefully I can like replicate it on the eye, because it's always easier to like draw it on like paper on like a flat surface than like when you get on the eye, and all the like curves and creases is just harder. But I really liked this concept that I like drew up on the face chart. I don't know why I never did it, but since summer is almost over, this is kind of like my last chance to do this look. So in today's video, we're going to be doing a strawberry ice cream cone inspired makeup look. And if you guys want to see that, or if you're like sad that summer's ending, you just want like one last little hurrah, then just keep on watching. Okay, so first I'm gonna prime my eyes with the Juvia's Place concealer in the shade 20. I want it to be kind of lighter, just so all the colors and everything show up perfectly and all that stuff. And then I'm just gonna blend it out with this Morphe beauty sponge. So first we're gonna take the Beauty Bay EYN 42 color Bright palette, and we're gonna take Tutu on a Morphe M504 brush, and we're gonna start by putting some pink in the inner corner. And you want to make it kind of like a circular shape. Now we're going to take Make Them Wink on a Morphe M433 brush and put that in the crease in the front of the eye, a little bit under that other pink color that we just put down. I know you don't have the same Morphe and the M on the like brush, but it's just like a habit of mine. Like I will say Morphe and then just go straight into reading it off the brush. That's just like something that I do all the time. And then we're gonna move over to the ABH Alyssa Edwards palette, because I love the pink in this palette. It's called Texas Made, and I'm just gonna take that on a Morphe M441 brush. And then the last thing on the pink side, we're going to take the Supreme from the ABH palette and just blend out all the pinks with that. So we're actually going to put a little bit more concealer over here, just because it's kind of going to go far out. I should have did this at first, but it's fine. Take the Morphe M441 brush, and we're going to take Preppy Pecan from the Beauty Bay palette. We're going to kind of go into like a V shape, blending that out, and blend it into the pink. We're going to go back into the ABH palette, and we're going to take Back Rolls on that same brush and just put it in the same spot just to darken it up. You guys see how it's like a sharp V? You will kind of want to like keep it that way, just because like, you know how ice cream cones are like a cone, so you kind of want to keep that sharp cone shape. And we're also going to put it on the bottom, the outer half of the lid. And now we're gonna put a little bit more concealer on a flat brush and like put some concealer on the lid. That isn't like, I'm not cutting my crease or anything, but I want the pink on the lid to be very like bright and intense. And I'm gonna put some of Texas Made on the lid. You guys see kind of how it like, you guys see how it kind of like looks like an ice cream cone. So now we're gonna put some headliner from the ABH palette and put it in the inner corner just to like brighten it up. Like it kind of gives like whipped cream vibes kind of. So yeah. So what I'm now going to do is do a very thin liner just to like when I put on my lashes it'll conceal my lashes and everything. I say this every time. I'm gonna try to do it as thin as possible. So yeah, let's do that. Okay, so now it's time to do the under eye. I was just seeing if the camera was like shaking, that's why I look like that. But anyways, so I'm gonna take Texas Made and I'm gonna put it where Texas Made is at the top. So basically the front half. And I'm gonna take Back Rolls, which is the same color on the top, and just put it on the outer half, just like the top. So basically we're just taking the same exact colors that we use at the top and putting it on the bottom, while also blending the outer part into the top like that. Have you seen little like dots that are different on this eye? I put a bunch of like colorful gems and I was like, ooh, it can kind of like signify colored rainbow sprinkles, but I didn't like the way it looked, so I took it off. But I didn't feel like redoing the eye, so I just put some eyeshadow on top of it, and you can't really tell that much of a difference, but just in case you guys can and you're like, what is that? That's what it is. So yeah, I'm gonna put some highlighter in my inner corner. I'm just gonna take the ABH Glow Kit in the shade Sun Dip, that's what the palette is called, and I'm gonna take Summer. Oh, fitting. Did I ever tell you guys, I think I did a while ago, that this was the ABH Sun Dipped Glow Palette was like the first ever high-end makeup thing that I ever bought, and that's why I still have it. This was like my first love. Everything about this I love, and I also like how you could like take the palettes out, the pans out. I was just like obsessed with this. I mean, I still am, because it's the first thing I ever got, and it's like sentimental. No, it'll always be. I also put some highlighter in my brow bone, but we're gonna like take a blending brush and just blend that out a little bit, just so it's not so intense. Okay, now what did I do on the face chart for my lips? Oh, okay, so just like a nude lips, just so the browns match. I hope you guys can tell that that's brown. I think you can. I can tell. I'm gonna take Back Rolls from this palette for my lips, and I'm just gonna take a flat brush and line my lips with this. I'm gonna take concealer. Sometimes I use like concealer as like lipstick, just for videos, because like if I'm not getting the look that I want, I'm just like taking it off anyways. So not bad. The lips, I love the eye look. So now I'm gonna go off camera and put on some lashes and all that good stuff, and then we'll come back and see what this is looking like with a nice lash. And I think I might put on a gloss, I'm not sure yet. And sometimes I'll be going off camera and I'll be wanting to add gems and all that stuff, so we'll come back and see if I like added anything and see what the final look looks like with a lash and all that good stuff. So okay, my little beautiful babies, this is the finished look. I am so obsessed with it. I love the way that it's like shaped and everything, like, and I feel like if you're wearing pink, you could like wear this and no one would like really even know like what you're trying to do. But then it's like if you explain to them like, oh, like it's supposed to kind of like look like ice cream, like an ice cream cone, how it's like circular, and then like comes to a point, like I feel like people will kind of understand. At least I hope like my vision is kind of like obvious enough, like especially after I like explain it or whatever. But I like it, and I feel like it matches my face chart pretty well. Colors look better on face charts anyways, so because like I was saying in the beginning, I love the way that this looks and everything, but sometimes face charts just look way different than your on your face, because there's curves and a face chart is like flat. You can pick the colors that you want, like if you want like the exact of brown, you can pick it and it's like on paper, or it's on like a white background, so it shows up that exact color. With eyeshadow it's just like different skin tone, all that stuff, but I love the way it looks. Yeah, I really like it. Let me know what you guys think down below, if you like it, if you think like it looks like an ice cream cone once I like explain it and all that good stuff. I just really love it. And yeah, I feel like this is a good way to close out summer 2021. I didn't really do much. Yeah, the only thing that I did this summer was I went to Made in America, so that was really fun. I don't know if I told you guys that, but that was really fun. I'm gonna talk about that I think a little bit more, because I want to do like a video talking about like my anxiety, maybe like a makeup therapy or like a chit chat, get ready with me talking about how I'm feeling about like anxiety and depression updates and stuff like that. So I'll probably be talking about the festival a little bit more in that video, because like some things happened. So anyways, yeah, let me know what you guys think of this look. I really like it. I think, like I said, it kind of looks like an ice cream cone to me. I'll do a close-up so you guys can kind of see the vision, like, and even if you can't see it, just like pretend, like act like you can, like for my sake or whatever. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Turn on my post notifications to be notified every time that I upload. If you want to keep up with me when I'm not posting on YouTube, you can follow me on all my other social medias. All that good stuff is on the screen right here. It'll also be in the description box down below. If you like me, if you like makeup, all that stuff, then you should subscribe. I'm really trying to grow this channel, and I really want you to be a part of this journey with me, a part of this channel, a part of this family, because I really care about you guys. Also, I talk a lot about mental health and stuff like that, so if you just want to join the family and join my channel, then you should subscribe and all that good stuff. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Also, like I said, subscribe. Look, I made it easy for you. It's right here, and just watch another video, because you're already here, you know. You don't really want to go anywhere, so just watch another one, all that good stuff. So yeah.